Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix low FPS in Dota. True, this is a very annoying problem. Uh, it's causing a lot of frustration if you're having this problem right now, low FPS. So I'm just going to show you what I do personally and what I've tested myself to fix FPS when I'm playing any games, regardless of what laptop, computer, machine you have. So let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So let's jump right into this first method. The first method I always like to is go to head over here in the search bar and here write performance, right? So and adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. So right here, make sure you click on, if you set to best appearance, click on custom and then just check two of this and that's it. Now the next method, we have to go to personalize, and here make sure in colors here turn off transparency. Transparency effect takes a lot of performance and really can give you more FPS. So turn off this performance. You'll look better obviously with the transparency, but it is just causing a lot of problems and issues. And also here, let's go in power edit, power plan, and here in other playing plan, click on power options. Here in power options, select gaming mode. Okay, now the next method, what you have to do right now is very important, but it might be very obvious to you, or very simplistic kind of method, which is to close all the apps. Okay, when you're playing any games, make sure you close all the apps that are running in the background. Also, let's go to taskbar, and here in taskbar, click on the game and then right click on the game and expand the game, and then click on go to details, and now click on the game, locate the game and set high priority. Okay, that's one way. Another way, you can also go to game mode, and here in game mode, make sure you turn this on. Actually, it's optimized this in Windows 11. It works much better than in any other program. Game mode, this is, can turn this off. Xbox game bar, I don't use that, it doesn't work that well. And now the next method that works very well is go to graphics settings, and here in graphics settings, go to Dota, go to the game. Okay, make sure you go to the game, locate the game here, and then click on the game, and here in the game select high performance. We want performance. If you want performance, high performance, no FPS draws, make sure you select high performance, and that's pretty much it. I hope guys this video helped you. I really appreciate if you leave your feedback down below. I really want to to read your results. If I see there's not a lot of good results, you can also shoot me a message on Discord. I'll try my best to help you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.